If you aren't one of the lucky ones who get to take your RV down south during the winter, then chances are you've had to have it winterized, and therefore, before you can take it out in the spring, it needs to be de-winterized. I'm Ian Baker, and today I'm going to take you through the step-by-step process of de-winterizing an RV. Step 1. If removed during the winterization process, reinsert the plug into the freshwater tank drain and snug up the low point drain plugs. Next, put the anode rod on a Suburban water heater or drain plug on an Atwood water heater back in. Once the faucets have been opened and the antifreeze purged, you'll want to change the valves on the water heater bypass to use mode. This should include opening the hot and cold side valves while closing the bypass valve. You can use some pipe tape if you choose for a better seal. If you have a Suburban unit and you didn't check or replace the anode rod during winterization, now would be a good time to do so. Now it's time to repressurize the system with fresh water. You have two options. One is to hook up city water with a hose and turn the pressure on. The other is to fill the fresh water tank and turn on the water pump. Next, you'll want to start opening faucets. Start at the kitchen faucet and individually open the hot and then cold side. Then move to any bathroom, starting with the shower and tub faucet, the sink faucet, and lastly the toilet. You'll want to move outside and open any exterior kitchen faucets or outside showers as well. The last step is to turn off water pressure and remove caps from the low point drains. Then turn on pressure to allow the last of the antifreeze to flush out. Lastly, shut pressure back off and put the low point drain caps back on. Congratulations, you've just de-winterized your RV and you're ready to hit the road and see this great country of ours the safest way possible in your RV. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to your local Camping World.